Hybrid, different species rin Dati po may coffee.
I'm Javie Barcinal, the founder and chairperson of Dulungan Youth. Dulungan Youth started officially 2019, and it was to really make local youth become more environmentally conscious and to really make more young people care for the environment, especially here in our hometown in Culasi and neighboring towns in northern Antique. So the organization was coined from the local name of the rufous-headed hornbill, which is called Dulungan, which is also the provincial bird, one of the rarest hornbills in the world because of its population and its status of being critically endangered. It is endemic, which means it can only be found here. We made this decision so it can be promoted and at the same time it can be known more by local communities. Project Paglaum is coined from the Kinaraya word Paglaum, which means hope. This project aims to instill that hope to young people here in our local community for them to become stewards of nature, stewards of the local biodiversity and the local ecology. We wanted to instill that hope not because the planet is dying or not because we want them to fear the future, but we want to instill that hope out of appreciation and gratitude that there is beauty, that there is tranquility in the surroundings here if we just explore and at the same time utilize the tool or the power of storytelling in any forms like in art, writing, in photographs. So that's what we want the youth to feel, that hope is something we create out of appreciation of what we have. Last Saturday, we did a self-and-ecology workshop. We did a transect walk. We want them to explore on their own, observe their surroundings, and at the same time, we also did a photo walk. We gave them the opportunity to immortalize what they saw through photos. After that, we did a cyanotype workshop in the river area for them to borrow some native plants and create an artwork out of it. After that, we had self-reflection workshop. We did zine workshop. We gave them the freedom of expression to create their own artwork or written pieces for them to accumulate all of the workshops and experiences they had the whole day. And the goal was not only reflect with their ecology or their environment and their selves, but also reflect to their dreams and to their goals and to their perspective of the local environment and the global environment at the same time.
Ayan.
I am ENL or Kahada Karunungan, the community officer of Dulungan. About the workshop, well, it was more inspiring on my part personally because we did not just learn about the environment and the importance of what we do as environmentalists, but also tried to understand ourselves even more. We tried to know what really our purpose is. It touches our hearts in order for us to continue on serving and protecting our home. I believe doing these activities for the community and for the environment could slowly and eventually change the world. Even the smallest acts that we do, it could impact the community, the people, and inspire them as well to do the same. Being in Dulungan Youth, we could be a great example for other people, not just the kids, not just the youth, but also the adults who see our actions, who see the impact of what we do. And I hope that as an organization, we will continue to do so no matter how old we get.
we want to instill that environmentalism is not just fighting for the environment, it's also immersing ourselves. Because storytelling is also immersing ourselves to what we are fighting for. So that's what we want, is not only for them to care for the environment, but also appreciate the environment. Hearing the reflection of the youth participants, some of them really went out from their comfort zone, some really weren't that interested in nature, but you really see that shift of interest, and it really justifies the work that we do, knowing that there is an urgent need for young people to be involved in environmental advocacy, because individually we can do so much, but collectively we can do so much more, that we can change systems, that we can change things that continue to oppress our environment, and at the same time, us, the people who benefit from it.